If you're seeing Epic Games error code LS-0018, that usually means the game you're trying to launch is already running in the background. The good news is that this is usually a quick fix, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to close the stuck process and get your game launching again. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast gaming fixes. First, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simplified view, click More Details so you can see all of the running processes. Now go to the Processes tab and look carefully for anything related to Epic Games Launcher or the game you're trying to open. Sometimes the game is still running even though the window is closed, and that is what triggers the LS-0018 error. If you see Epic Games Launcher, the game executable, or anything that looks like a frozen background process, click it once to highlight it. Then click End Task to force it closed. If there are multiple related processes, repeat that step for each one. This is important because one hidden process can keep the launcher from starting the game properly. Once you've ended the game and the launcher processes, close Task Manager and restart Epic Games Launcher. Give it a few seconds to fully load, then try launching the game again. In most cases, that will clear the error and let the game start normally. If the issue is still there, restart your computer and try one more time because a full restart can clear any leftover background tasks. But for most users, using Task Manager to end the stuck Epic Games or game process is the fastest solution to fix error code LS-0018. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.